The eagle was an incredibly important donation to BC in the 1950s. We knew that the eagle had been taken down in 1993, and a replica is now what's on the column outside Gaston Hall.
Since the copy was up, the original just got left here.
I just thought, I gotta go see this thing.
The McMullen Museum called me and asked me to come and take a look at something that they said had been badly damaged, had been in storage for at least 10 years.
What struck me just right away was just the incredible quality of the craftsmanship.
We worked on different parts all at the same time, and one of us would uncover something and say to somebody else, "Oh my God, look at this. This is so fantastic."
And then the eagle was taken to Skylight Studios, was taken back there so that Skylight could create an armature for the inside.
So the challenge was to construct a bronze and stainless steel armature, which is actually like a skeleton, which holds everything together.
People have never seen how really monumental and big this eagle is, because it's usually high up on a column.
What we love about the project is that we sort of brought the eagle home to what it really should be.
Well, I think in McMullen, this piece is really going to be appreciated.
Well, it's been a very wonderful process to see the various stages of this resurrection of this splendid work of art. I mean, the result is really, really spectacular.